If there's raisins in this, also, I'm gonna be super mad.
It just looks soggy, which I love. There are like corn flakes or potato chips.
If there's raisins in this, also, I'm gonna be super
Are you really?
mad.
Oh shit.
No, I'm not allergic to raisins,
Okay.
I just hate them.
Something stuck to it, and I think those are raisins, and I don't even want to eat this one.
It's good. There's definitely cereal or something on it. It's got a bit of a crunch. And I don't mind it. I thought I was gonna hate it, but I actually don't mind it at all.
I don't know what these are. Is it corn flakes?
No.
Rice Krispies?
No.
Potato chips?
No.
French toast is sweet enough. You don't need frosted flakes on there. Too crunchy, upsetting raisins are there.
This one looks pretty boring. Just like doesn't have anything on it. It doesn't even look like it has cinnamon on it.
This one I'm excited about because my fork literally punctured this with no pressure. This looks like classic French toast.
This just looks like a soggy toast to me. It doesn't look like.
It's so good. I love this.
I think I have an educated guess that Alton Brown clearly knows what he's doing when it comes to French toast. This was made for Instagram, and I don't want any part of it. I choose Alton, 100%.
Kylie, my girl. I'm into her French toast.
Hands down, I'm going with the classic one. I'm going with number 2.